Hello, I am Yliana Castell and I am a new certified crystal healer. I just took the CCH program this past round and it was absolutely amazing. I did not realize I was going to have the transformation in being confident in my crystal healing after taking this course. I had taken the mini course, which was the crystal healing with Reiki, shortly after my Reiki attunement. So when I stepped into the realm of like wanting to take the CCH program, I was pretty apprehensive. I didn't know what to expect, and I wasn't sure I was going to confidently be able to heal others with crystals and have the knowledge, and actually I didn't know what I would to expect in a sense. So what really got me into it was we had done an exercise on the CCH programs page, or it was a student school page, and it was a challenge on tapping into your intuition. And it was the exercise where we had to intuitively tap into certain crystals and what we got from it. And that really opened me up to the realm of how my intuition serves me in such a high form to work with others, to work with the crystals, and what the crystals do with me and how I acclimate to them on a vibration that is so beyond explanation. And in taking the course, like module by module, I saw how my intuition just served me in such a strong way that I was supported in what I was doing and who I was serving, the crystals I was picking for each client intuitively. And you do learn specific crystals to use for specific things, but there's also that knowledge that you gain in taking the CCH program that helps you confidently be able to use certain crystals because you're tapping into that intuition. And I get mind blown every single time I do a crystal healing session with someone, because there's always a new thing that comes up that is straight from the divine. It's from, this higher power, this source. And the CCH program really helped me like gain that confidence within myself to do this work that I have been put on this earth, to serve as my purpose. Now, the student group, that container that's there, that support system was amazing. Ashley Levy is in there helping you. There are other supportive members that work under Ashley that are helping you. The students are helping you. It is a community that is so supportive. And I probably haven't been in a spiritual community that was like this supportive, and everyone's rooting you on. Everyone's there to help. It's very gratifying, and it's really learning. You're learning from each other, and you're learning in such a deep way because everyone's there for that same purpose, that same reason. And I think when you have that, like, it helps boost your confidence, and it doesn't make you feel like, I'm in a competition or anything like that. Like, everyone's end goal is the same in a sense, just in different levels and realms. And I can't speak, I can't really speak on how much I love that group. And I'm in all of them just about, and they are all so unique and they are all so beautiful. And I think without that support that is offered, it would have been a lot harder. It was very encouraging. It's very much go with your own pace, but you still have that support no matter where you are. So the hardest part for me, I think, was actually deciding to take the program, because you think like, is this, financially going to serve me for my Grace and Highest good? Or, will I get everything that I expect? I would say remove expectation first and foremost from, purchasing anything, but especially in investing in yourself in this program, because it is an investment. And when I actually started the program and I saw everything and I learned everything, and you just get so much out of it. I learned things that I did not expect I was going to learn. The first module, I was like, oh my gosh, like, I am learning, like what geologists actually learn about crystals. You are getting a little bit of everything in this program that I did not expect to get. So it was everything and more. The investment, the handouts, the bonuses, all those things are worth it, and so much more. So much more. I would have paid probably double for it after seeing and experiencing everything that I got out of it, and that I still do, because it's helping me personally, heal parts of my body, my family, my clients. And you can't really put a price tag on an investment like that. So this program has just been so amazing. And I know, just from being in that space of being on the fence and not knowing what to do, I would do it all over again, 100%. I speak its praises all the time. I love that I can use crystals to bring transformation in so many shapes and forms to other people. And you learn a lot more than what you think you are. And I have looked at other crystal healing certification programs, and none of them, even after having been in this, I still went back to compare what those modules were. Nothing compares to the CCH program. And Ashley Levy has provided such a beautiful certification program, and I can't wait to take the next level of this course. And I hope this helped you. And as a CCH graduate, I wish I could graduate all over again, but enjoy the journey if you do say yes. And most likely this is kind of just a word of advice. If you are already looking into it and you are already guided in some way to look at it, it's because you are meant to be there. So with that little piece of advice, I hope this helped you. Sending you so much love and light, and best wishes on your journey with the CCH program. Thank you.